warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges. Firstly, let's thank unto our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings. Secondly, my peace and salutation always be present to our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who brought us from darkness to brightness. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Zahrani from Panjamarga Senior High School 1, Lamongan. Here, I will tell the story about the myth of Lamongan catfish. Do you know the traditional food from Lamongan that has spread toward the Archipelago? Yeah, catfish pecel. Many Lamongan residents migrate and sell catfish pecel. However, do you know that Lamongan natives forbid to eat catfish even though they sell catfish pecel? Do you know why? Now I will tell the story behind it. This story begins when Sunan Giri III, or his real name Sedo Marco, wanders Islam by boat along the Bengawan Solo Road to the village. Arriving at Barang village, which is now in Kelaka district, Lamongan, late at night, the bright light of the full moon guided Sedo Marco's step to explore this village. Once upon a time, Sedo Marco saw a godok lamp, a type of oblate lit from a head in the corner of the village. It caught Sedo Marco's attention. He approaches the lamp sword. There, he found a woman named Dewi Asika, or commonly called Mbok Rondo, selling clothes. They talked each other until late at night. Then Sedo Marco begged to Giri, but he forgot to bring his dagger, which was placed on the terrace while talking with Mbok Rondo. He only realized it when he arrived back in Giri. Then Sedo Marco called one of his students, Ki Boyopati. Boyopati, yesterday when I was wandering, I stopped at Mbok Rondo's house. She lived at Barang village. Please get my dagger, which was left on her terrace. As Sedo Marco. Yes, I will do it, Sunan. Mbok Rondo knew the existence of the dagger. She took it and kept it to be returned, or Sedo Marco took it himself. Well, when assigned by Sedo Marco, Ki Boyopati used his sales skill to immediately go to Mbok Rondo's house. Arriving at the location, Ki Boyopati took the dagger secretly. But as much as squirrel jump, it would fall to the ground. As much as Ki Boyopati was, his method was known by Mbok Rondo, who was greeted by the scream of the thief. Oh, hold on, Bo. I'm Ki Boyopati, one of Sunan Giri third student. I was told to take his dagger. Anyone help me! What is this? Hearing the loud scream from Mbok Rondo, the villagers ran to Mbok Rondo's house. Seeing this, Ki Boyopati panicked and fled. asked one villager. "Dad, there's a thief who stole the dagger belonging to Sunan Giri." The villagers cast Ki Boyopati. Ki Boyopati ran so as not to be caught by the villagers. Because the chasing villagers were getting closer, Ki Boyopati finally decided to jump himself into the catfish pond. He just there from the cast of villagers. Arriving here at the catfish pond, villagers lost track of Ki Boyopati. "Where did the thief go?" "I think I saw him jump into this pond," said one villager. "Impossible! This pond is full of catfish. If there is someone in it, these catfishes will not be together. Let's look for somewhere else." The villagers who did not expect Ki Boyopati in the pond immediately left the location. Ki Boyopati felt relief. Finally, he released from the pursuit of villagers. But after he came out of the pond, he's confused. He looks all over his body and glances at catfish swimming in the pond. "Why isn't my skin hard at all? Why don't the catfish sting me?" mumbled Ki Boyopati, surprised. He was grateful God saved him from the pursuit of villagers. And since then, Ki Boyopati swore, "I and my descendant will never eat catfish forever because it has protected me from harm." Then Ki Boyopati begged to Giri. When delivering the dagger, he told a strange incident at the catfish pond. Because of his merit, Sedomarko gave the dagger to him. After that, Ki Boyopati asked Sedomarko for permission to return Lamongan to spread Islam. The first village to spread Islam was Barang village, where he was saved by catfish. Ki Boyopati is also buried there and respected by local community. Since that incident, finally there is taboo on eating catfish because they think catfish is a lucky fish that has been instrumental in protecting Ki Boyopati. The first to implement taboo on eating catfish were all residents of Medang village, Kelaka district, Lamongan. Over time, this taboo did not only apply to residents of Medang village, but also in several sub-districts in Lamongan, even outside Lamongan city, such as Gresik to Solo. Those who violate this taboo will get sick like itching or have white patches on the skin like catfish, and then peeling skin. Some even experience sudden blindness and other serve diseases. Yeah, that is the story about the myth of Lamongan catfish. Thank you very much for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.